SCCRESA TV presents in 3, 2, 1, Dateline Schools with your host, Terry Harrington.
All this week on Dateline Schools, we've been learning about the Michigan Mathematics and Science Center Network and its role in education here in not only in St. Clair County, but throughout the state of Michigan. Tell us all about it. My special guest is Director of the St. Clair County Math and Science Center, Jim Licht, as well as the Executive Director of the Michigan Network, Dr. Mary Starr. And Dr. Starr, what do you see as the future for math and science education, not only here in Michigan, but across the country?
I think that with the developing focus on STEM, that the future is really bright. We're focusing on having kids ask and answer questions, designing solutions to problems, and also taking what they're learning in math and science and bringing those things together so that they can use each one of those content areas together. Instead of how it used to be is now we're going to have math class and then we're going to have science class. We're really looking at ways to integrate the two.
And my guess is with all the technological breakthroughs that we see every day, that's really changing the information the kids are learning and learning about.
That's right. So just today at our meeting, we were talking about using GIS technologies and how we can get students to use more computers and large databases. And that right there is a great example of how the science and math are really coming together.
Do you find the kids gravitate to the technology too?
They love it, right? So anytime you can engage the students in asking questions of their own, then that really makes them more motivated to learn both the math and science.
Great. And Jim, parents always have a key role in a child's education. How can parents better encourage our kids in the areas of math and science, especially when we struggle with it ourselves?
Give them a chance to be involved in math and science. In math, help them develop their number sense. But when you take them to the grocery store, pick up 2 cans of beans. Which one is the better buy, and help them. How much do we have in the cart? Help them develop their estimation skills. Let them know how you use math every day. Expose them to different careers that use math.
So I think those are great ideas. In science, a lot of times parents especially want to label things. So if they see a bird, they want to give it a name. And really what we want kids to do is ask questions about the behavior of things and how stuff works. So it would be great if parents asked questions of their children, and instead of just trying to tell them, and also to just admit, I don't know. I don't know is a great answer. Let's go find out.
Great. Where can people get more information about the Michigan Center Network?
So the network has its own website at www.mimathandscience.org, and there's all kinds of information there about each one of the centers and how the network works together.
And you can also link to all of the Math Science Centers from our network site, as well as the Math Science Center, SCCRESA Math Science Center site.
For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington. Dateline Schools is a production of St. Clair County RESA.